All right, guys. So we moved from the foyer to the living room, and now we've got the box here. And as you can see, no damage, no damage, even though it was kind of poking through. You see our logo right here, Tactical Life. I don't know if you can, how good you can see that, but let's see what we got in this carrying case. Okay, so in this carrying case is going to be our demos. All right, so we've got the Tactical Life Stealth Fighter. With actually this Stealth Fighter actually has got a little bit of an upgrade. It's got the ambidextrous safety here. Nice little charging handle. It's actually got our forward assist. And we've got a little red dot on there. Okay, primary arms. I can see the red etched reticle in there. All right. Angle foregrip. Oh, and the 8-ball. Oh, this one is, I'm not going to lie. I thought this demo was going to be one of the basic models. This is definitely feature packed. Definitely feature packed. It is a brace. This is going to be our 10.5. This is going to be the 7.5 upper. So for those of you guys and gals that want the compact nature, you can see what we got here, and basically the difference. All right. So me, right now I prefer the 10.5. I find out for sure here in the next couple of weeks that I have, I'll definitely give it a shot. Okay, hold on. I got some little pop-ups, flip-ups. Okay, come on. Ooh, okay, that's different. All right. Okay, this is gonna have some. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's got some little glow sights in it. All right. This upper is actually empty, so we'll have to take out the charging handle and bulk carrier and swap it over. That's not a big deal. This one's got the forward assist as well. Like I said, this is the 7.5. This is going to be our 10.5. So coming to a range near you, we're going to have these Tactical Life rifles for demo. If you're interested in learning more about the AR-15 platform, this particularly being a pistol, Strap House Customs in our collection, we do have a full-size 16-inch AR-15. So that way we can just kind of help you understand, the differences and, what you may or may not want to get into. So again, shout out to Tactical Life for letting us hold on to these products for a little while. All right, make sure I get them closed. Case closed. There we go. Oh, looking pretty good. All right, that's cool. So we're gonna roll right on to the next, right here. And we'll keep the video one long continuous video and shorten it and edit it again as we need to. So again, here we've got Tactical Life Rifle. And this is one of the fun things about being an FFL. I do get to open new products. All right, so you definitely have to check all the packages that you get. And again, after I do this unboxing, what I will be doing is opening up my ledgers, my disposition, exposition book, and logging these firearms into my possession. All right. Now here we definitely have, this is going to be the Stealth Fighter version here of the Tactical Life 15. The chamber flag, I like to just get that in there. Perfect. All right, bam. So here we go. This particular one is not ambidextrous, does still just have the safety, does not have the forward assist, again being a more modern version. And for cost savings, that is something that is commonly removed. And again, we do have a fully adjustable brace here. Again, this being a pistol. And I believe, yeah, this is going to be our 10.5. Yep, 10.5 Stealth Fighter. A very good, what I would consider entry-level rifle that has the potential to still last you a lifetime. And as you learn more about ARs, if you want to, upgrade it, it's definitely a lot that can be done with this particular model without going. Okay. Got to figure out something with this chamber flag. It don't like the box closing, which is probably why it was in there the way it was. All right, so there we go. Tactical Life 15, Stealth Fighter in 10.5. And next, what we should have here should be again that stealth fighter model of the Tactical Life 15. This one, I believe, should be 7.5. And so part of our journey here with the demos is going to be able to see, what is the most popular length of AR here in the Metro Atlanta area. Like I said, I'm a big fan of the 10.5. You still get pretty good ballistics out of the AR without having a full-size rifle. But then you don't get so small. Once you get below the 7.5, which is what this is, it gets kind of dangerous when you're, holding the firearm and firing it with such a, short barrel. So here we go. Stealth Fighter, chambered in 5.56. Again, single-sided, safety. Got our mag release. Yeah, just a good, simple, basic AR-15. Of course, they both are flat rails here, so we're going to need to, first thing we would add on here would be some iron sights, possibly an optic, maybe a sling. But again, another great firearm from Tactical Life. If you're more interested in trying out one of these firearms, you can definitely reach out to Strap House Customs. Meet us at the range. We'll be more than glad to let you give them a shot. Thanks for your time.